This is the Baker Signature Parchment Paper 2-pack, extra strong. The value pack, it's got 260 square foot in each package. And this is a 2-pack. The brand sent this to me so that I can test and tell you what I think. And I have been using these in all sorts of ways. So I have been using these for baking. I've been using these for when I do my vegetables in the oven. And then also in this unique way. And so I'm using this parchment paper as a barrier between the alcohol and the rubber seal on this cap. So then that way the alcohol doesn't, break down and ruin the seal on this cap. And okay, this has been in use for 4 weeks already. And it has really been doing a fantastic job withstanding. This has been doing a fantastic job standing up to daily, the daily things that I just did. I just feel that this is a very, very great product, really durable, extra strength, and I would really recommend this for any of your parchment needs.